Aisha Academy, subject English, class 10th, topic The Great Expectations, presented by Aisha Sadiq. In this lecture, we shall come to know about the famous writer Charles Dickens and his famous novel. Charles Dickens was the famous writer of 19th century. He was born in England in 1812. Charles Dickens was concerned about the sufferings of people and he got fame due to his good novels. He died in 1870. Everyone liked Charles Dickens a lot. Okay students, this story is about a child. As we know that Charles Dickens has written many novels which got fame in the world. Great Expectations is one of them which is liked all over the world. This story is very popular and interesting. This is one of his best writings. The story is about an orphan child whose name is Pip. His parents had died and he was looked after by his elder sister, who was very strict. He never enjoyed his childhood as other children do. He was deprived of his parents' love in his life. His elder sister had no soft corner in her heart for Pip. She always scolded him for everything. So, Pip always remained frightened all the time, but she guided Pip in a proper way as she acted her role as a mother in this story. Joe is another character of the story, who was the husband of Pip's sister. He was so friendly and nice man. He is called the best friend of Pip. Whenever his sister scolded Pip, Joe always loved him and cared him a lot, and he always supported him. Pip spent a comfortable life with Joe and always respected him. Actually, Pip was a very kind-hearted boy and always showed mercy on people. One day, he saw a person in the street who was actually a prisoner and escaped from the prison. But when he met Pip, he was in rough condition. He was hungry and thirsty. So Pip took pity on that person and gave him some eatables. So the prisoner thanked him and went away. The prisoner was arrested by the police and again was kept in prison. Actually, the prisoner was a stranger, but he was very impressed of Pip's help. He decided to help Pip as he saw that Pip was a poor child. The prisoner was a very rich person, so he helped Pip by giving money as a scholarship for his studies. He wanted Pip to be an educated person. Pip got education and became a gentleman. But after some time, Pip came to know that the stranger had died in prison, so his scholarship stopped. But due to his own effort,